How 90 days can achieve more than 5 years. A game changer for entrepreneurs. How long have you pursued your goals? 1 year? 3 years? 5 years? Be honest. How much has improved? Most entrepreneurs fail not from lack of effort, but from a lack of focus. They stay busy but don't execute. Today, I'll show how 90 days of focused action can surpass 5 years of unfocused work. Let's dive in. The issue with long-term thinking. We often hear to think long-term and be patient. This advice is useful until it becomes a crutch. With 5-year goals, urgency fades. I'll begin later. I'll make progress next month. Before you know it, 5 years slip by. Long timelines lead to weak actions. Short timelines foster intensity. Why 90 days is ideal. 90 days is great because it's long enough to see results, but short enough to create urgency. 3 months leave no room for procrastination. You either act or face immediate consequences. Step 1. Identify one primary goal. Here's where many falter. They chase multiple objectives, leading to no real progress. For the next 90 days, focus on one goal. Examples: boost revenue by 30%. Launch a flagship product. Step 2. Define your non-negotiable actions. Goals need actions. Identify 3 to 5 daily actions to support your goal. Examples: create 1 sales page weekly, produce 3 authority videos, contact 5 potential partners daily. No excuses, guard these actions. Step 3. Cut out low-value activities. Many waste time on non-essential tasks. During a 90-day sprint, stop anything that doesn't align with your goal. Focus becomes your superpower. Step 4. Track progress. Weekly, not based on feelings. Feelings can mislead. Some days you'll feel empowered, others drained. Ignore both and rely on metrics: weekly revenue, leads, conversions. Step 5. Cultivate a pressure environment. Failure often stems from lack of accountability and urgency. Create your own pressure. Announce your goal. Join a mastermind or hire a coach. Step 6. Act like a professional, not a hobbyist. Hobbyists wait for inspiration. Professionals stick to a schedule. During your 90-day sprint, define clear priorities and measurable goals. The compounding effect of 90-day sprints. 1 90-day sprint boosts confidence. 2 sprints elevate income. 3 sprints transform identity. Most success stories come from focused 90-day phases, not slow drifting. Real example. In the next 90 days, you can launch a premium offer, create 30 authority videos, and expand your email list. This can exceed 5 years of scattered effort. Final thoughts. If you feel stuck, it's not lack of ability. It's about true execution. 90 days of intense focus can reshape your income and direction. Your challenge? Select your primary goal. Commit to your actions. Eliminate distractions. Monitor progress weekly. Create pressure. Witness the change. Like this video, subscribe, and stay connected. Success doesn't come from waiting 5 years. It comes from winning the next 90 days.